Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create Tinder Gold info. Now we create tariff plans model, open lib, models, write final tariff plans model.dart, add class tariff plans model, write final, write string, title, write final, string, subtitle, write final, double price, write final, int, save. Then we add constructor required, this, title, subtitle, price, save. Then we add export, add tariff plans model.dart, save. Then we add information to constants. Next we open screens, likes. Then we add Tinder Gold info .dart, write class, add Tinder Gold info, extends, status widget, add method build, add constructor. Then we convert status widget to stateful widget, write return, add container. Then we add variables, write int, write selected index, then is price, write false. Then we add scroll controller, then we add init state, add a listener, then we add method scroll listener, write if, add scroll controller dot positions dot position dot pixels more 100, and then we add set state is price true, then is price false, save. Then we add dispose scroll controller dot dispose, then we add color, write colors dot white, write child, write add widget stack, write children, and then we add information block 1 and block 2. This information we can download to description in the video. And then we add to widget stack block 1 and block 2. Save. Then we open likes screen, open see who likes you, and we write navigator dot of context dot push right page road builder, write return add Tinder Gold info, and we add parameter opaque false, and now we select hot restart and check our works. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.